The most common window we install at New York Sash is a double hung window. And what that means is you have two operable sashes, a top and a bottom. The most easy way to operate this window would be to unlock your bottom sash, raise the sash slightly, 5 to 6 inches, 2 easy tilt pins here, rest your bottom sash down, lower your top sash, 2 more tilt pins, that will just rest right there. Wash your glass, simply turn it, push it back in, make sure you hear that click sound to make sure the sash had locked into place. Once you complete your bottom sash, same thing, lock that in, and your window's locked. So another component of the double hung product is the screen. And to operate the screen, you're simply gonna unlock your sash, pick your bottom sash up, depress your locks. Now, this will lock in the up position, and you can lower your sashes down for ventilation at the top. To remove the screen, simply depress the trigger, push it to the left side, tip it at an angle, and bring it in. To reinstall, reverse the process, push it to the left, depress the trigger, and it locks in, locks down. Okay, if you notice here, there's a balance system, which is a constant force stainless steel balance, which allows the sash to move up and down without falling. Each sash is equipped with 2 pivot bars, which seat right in that saddle. Once it's engaged, simply push it in, lock it up. Okay, that's the top sash. Same thing with your bottom sash, is 2 pivot bars, goes into the saddle. Okay, so if sometimes this may become dislodged from the sash, which would cause the sash to not engage properly. You push it down and it will not lock. If you look down here, your sash has not been engaged to your balance system. So in order to fix this issue, you need a screwdriver, and this is a critical point, so you need to there's tension on the balance, so you would need to engage that, hold it because it's spring loaded, face it back to the 90-degree position, bring your sash to it, tip it down, seat it back in, and it's engaged. Once it's engaged, the operation should be smooth and easy and lock okay. If you have experienced this issue, with a little bit of patience and some simple tools and tips, you should be able to get your sash locked. If you do have a problem with it, feel free to give the office a call, and we can either walk you through it or send one of our techs out to fix it for you.